Often overshadowed by bigger air forces, Italy quietly fields one of Europe's most advanced aviation fleets. From stealth fighters and carrier jets to surveillance aircraft and combat helicopters, today we're breaking down every active Italian military aircraft and revealing how powerful Italy truly is. Starting up with Frontline Fighters, F-35A Lightning II. This stealth multi-role fighter represents the most advanced aircraft currently serving in the Italian Air Force. Designed to evade radar and deliver precision strikes, the F-35A acts as the backbone of Italy's future combat capability and NATO joint operations. Next, the F-35B Lightning II. Unlike the conventional F-35A, this variant features short takeoff and vertical landing capability. That allows it to operate from shorter runways and amphibious ships, giving Italy flexible deployment options in both expeditionary missions and carrier-based operations. Up next, the Eurofighter F-2000A Typhoon. This highly agile multi-role fighter forms the backbone of Italy's air defense network. Designed for high-speed interception and air superiority, the Typhoon regularly patrols European airspace while providing rapid response against potential aerial threats. Then the TF-2000A Typhoon Conversion Trainer. While visually similar to the combat version, this two-seat variant is used to train pilots transitioning into the Typhoon fleet. It allows instructors and pilots to operate together, preparing new crews for complex high-performance fighter missions. Continuing with the Panavia Tornado IDS. This swing-wing strike aircraft specializes in low-altitude attack missions. Designed for deep penetration strikes and precision ground attack, the Tornado IDS served for decades as one of Italy's primary multi-role combat platforms. And finally, the Tornado ECR. This specialized variant focuses on electronic combat and suppression of enemy air defenses. Equipped to locate and destroy radar systems, the ECR plays a critical role in clearing the skies before other aircraft move into contested airspace. Next on the list is electronic warfare ISR and command aircrafts, starting with the G550 CAEW airborne early warning aircraft. This aircraft functions as a flying command center, equipped with powerful radar capable of detecting aircraft hundreds of kilometers away. From high altitude, it monitors airspace, coordinates fighters, and gives Italy critical battlefield awareness. Next, the EC-27J JEDI. Based on the Italian-built C-27J Spartan, this specialized aircraft carries electronic warfare systems designed to disrupt enemy communications and radar networks. Instead of firing missiles, its main weapon is electronic interference and battlefield control. Up next, the EA-37B Compass Call. Currently on order for Italy, this aircraft specializes in large-scale electronic attack. Its systems are designed to jam enemy communications, disable command networks, and disrupt air defenses before fighter aircraft even enter combat zones. Then the G550 JAMS Intelligence Aircraft. Short for Joint Airborne Multi-Mission System, this aircraft focuses on gathering signals intelligence, surveillance, and electronic warfare data. It acts as a high-tech sensor platform, collecting valuable information across modern battlefields. Continuing with the Super King Air 350 Spydr. Although much smaller than other aircraft on this list, it plays an important intelligence role. Equipped with advanced sensors, it performs surveillance, signals interception, and reconnaissance missions during both military and security operations. And finally, the MQ-9A Predator B, also known as the Reaper. This unmanned aerial vehicle provides long-endurance surveillance and strike capability. Able to remain airborne for many hours, the MQ-9 constantly monitors targets, gathers intelligence, and supports missions across vast operational areas. Next on the list is transport, tanker, and support aircraft. Starting with the KC-767 Aerial Refueling Tanker. This aircraft allows fighters to refuel in midair, dramatically extending their operational range. Entering Italian service in 2011, the KC-767 enables long-distance missions and supports NATO air operations across Europe and beyond. Next, the KC-130J Tanker. Based on the legendary Hercules platform, this aircraft performs both aerial refueling and tactical transport missions. Its versatility allows it to refuel helicopters and aircraft while also delivering cargo and troops into operational areas. Up next, the C-130J Super Hercules. One of the most reliable military transports ever built, this aircraft specializes in tactical airlift missions. It carries soldiers, vehicles, and supplies directly into remote or short runways during military operations and humanitarian missions. Then the C-27J Spartan. Designed and built in Italy, this medium transport aircraft excels at operating from short and rugged runways. The Spartan is widely used for troop transport, logistics support, and special mission operations. Continuing with the P-180 Avanti. This distinctive twin-prop aircraft serves mainly as a transport and liaison platform. Known for its unique forward wing design and high speed, It supports military travel, logistics, and specialized missions across the Italian armed forces. Next, the Dassault Falcon 900. This long-range jet is used primarily for VIP transport missions. Operated by the Italian Air Force's 31st Wing, it carries senior government officials and military leaders during official international travel. Up next, the Gulfstream G650AR. One of the newest additions to Italy's fleet, this ultra-long-range aircraft provides strategic transport for high-level missions. With exceptional range and speed, it connects Italy with distant global locations without refueling stops. And finally, the Dornier Do-228. This small transport aircraft operates primarily with Italian Army aviation units. Designed for short takeoff and landing operations, it is well suited for light transport missions and operating from compact airfields. Let's move on to trainer aircraft. Starting with the M346 Master. This advanced jet trainer prepares pilots for modern fighter aircraft like the Eurofighter and F-35. With advanced avionics and simulated combat systems, the M346 allows students to practice complex air combat scenarios before flying frontline fighters. Next, the M345 Het. Designed as a modern replacement for older training jets, the M345 provides the first step into jet aviation. It introduces pilots to high-speed flight while remaining efficient and relatively inexpensive to operate. Up next, the Aermacchi MB339. For decades, this aircraft served as Italy's primary jet trainer. It is also famous for flying with the Frex Tricolori aerobatic team, performing precision air shows that showcase Italian aviation skill worldwide. Then the SF-260 trainer. This lightweight propeller aircraft is used for basic pilot training. Students learn the fundamentals of flight here before moving to faster aircraft, making it one of the first aircraft many Italian military pilots ever fly. Continuing with the P180 EVO trainer variant. This aircraft helps train pilots for multi-engine operations and transport aircraft missions. It introduces students to more complex cockpit systems and long-distance navigation training. And finally, the Gulfstream G550 trainer. Before becoming specialized surveillance or command aircraft, some G550s are temporarily used for training. They allow crews to practice operating large multi-engine jets used in advanced intelligence and airborne command missions. Continuing with Air Force and Navy helicopters. Starting with the AW101 helicopter. This large multi-role helicopter performs several missions including search and rescue, transport, and naval operations. Its long range and heavy lifting capability make it especially valuable for maritime missions and combat support roles. Next, the AW139, one of Italy's most widely used helicopters. The AW139 serves in utility, search and rescue, and transport missions. Its reliability and versatility make it a key platform for both military and security aviation units. Up next, the NH-500M trainer helicopter. This lightweight helicopter is primarily used to train new rotary wing pilots. Its simple design allows students to safely learn the fundamentals of helicopter flight before moving on to larger operational aircraft. Then the NH-90 naval helicopter. This modern helicopter is designed for anti-submarine and anti-surface warfare missions. Operating from naval ships, it can hunt submarines, track surface targets, and support maritime security operations. Continuing with the AB-212 helicopter. This older but reliable platform performs a variety of roles including naval patrol, utility transport, and training missions. Many of these helicopters were license-built in Italy and have served for decades. Next, the AW169. This modern light utility helicopter is gradually replacing several older platforms. Designed for transport, rescue, and medical evacuation missions, it represents a new generation of flexible rotary wing aircraft in Italian service. And finally, the SH-101 naval variant. This specialized version of the AW101 is optimized for maritime operations. Equipped with advanced sensors, it supports anti-submarine warfare and naval transport missions from Italian Navy ships. Now let's look at Army aviation attack and transport helicopters. Starting with the A129 Mangusta attack helicopter. This was Italy's first dedicated attack helicopter, designed for anti-armor and close air support missions. Armed with missiles, rockets, and cannons, the Mangusta protects ground forces and engages enemy armored vehicles during combat operations. Next, the upgraded A129D Mangusta. This modernized variant features improved sensors, targeting systems, and enhanced combat capability. The upgrades allow it to operate more effectively in modern battlefield environments alongside NATO forces. Up next, the AW249 Fenice. This next-generation attack helicopter is designed to eventually replace the Mangusta fleet. With advanced avionics, improved survivability, and modern weapons systems, The AW249 represents the future of Italian Army aviation. Then the CH-47 Chinook. Recognizable by its distinctive twin-rotor design, this heavy-lift helicopter transports troops, vehicles, and supplies across difficult terrain. Its large cargo capacity makes it essential for major military deployments and logistics missions. Continuing with the ICH-47F Chinook. This upgraded Italian-built version of the Chinook features modern avionics and enhanced performance. It allows the Army to move large loads quickly while supporting special operations and rapid troop deployments. Next, the UH-90A helicopter. Based on the NH-90 platform, this medium transport helicopter moves soldiers and equipment directly into operational zones. It combines modern avionics, survivability systems, and strong lifting capability for tactical transport missions. Then the AW169MA light utility helicopter. Part of Italy's light utility helicopter program, this aircraft performs transport, medical evacuation, and support missions. It is gradually replacing several older helicopters within the Army aviation fleet. And finally, the AB205 helicopter. Although an older design, this helicopter has served the Italian Army for decades in utility and transport roles. Many of these aircraft were produced under license in Italy and continue supporting various operational missions. Now, naval aviation and carrier aircraft. Starting with the AV-8B Harrier II. For decades, the Harrier has been the backbone of Italian naval aviation. Its vertical landing capability allows it to operate from aircraft carriers and amphibious assault ships while providing strike and air defense missions. Next, the TAV-8B Harrier Trainer. This two-seat variant trains naval pilots to operate carrier-based Harriers. With an instructor and trainee on board, pilots learn the complex techniques required for short takeoff and vertical landing operations at sea. Then the Camcopter S-100 drone. This helicopter-style unmanned aircraft performs intelligence and surveillance missions from naval ships. Its compact size allows it to launch from smaller vessels while providing valuable reconnaissance data during maritime operations. And finally, the ScanEagle UAV. This small fixed-wing drone is widely used for maritime surveillance missions. It can remain airborne for long periods, tracking vessels and providing real-time intelligence to naval commanders. Finally, we have law enforcement and Coast Guard aircraft. Starting with the ATR-72 Maritime Patrol aircraft. This aircraft performs anti-submarine and maritime patrol missions. Equipped with advanced sensors and radar systems, it monitors large areas of ocean while supporting naval surveillance and maritime security operations. Next, the ATR-42 Maritime Surveillance Aircraft. Smaller than the ATR-72, this aircraft specializes in coastal monitoring and patrol duties. It helps detect suspicious vessels, monitor illegal activities, and coordinate maritime law enforcement missions. Up next, the AW109 helicopter. This light utility helicopter performs transport, patrol, and law enforcement support missions. Its agility and speed make it useful for rapid response operations and aerial surveillance tasks. Then the AW119 Koala. This single-engine helicopter is widely used for patrol and utility operations. Its reliability and relatively low operating cost make it an effective platform for coastal surveillance and security missions. Continuing with the AW139 helicopter. This modern helicopter performs a wide range of missions including transport, patrol, and search and rescue. It is one of the most versatile aircraft used by Italian security and rescue aviation units. Next, the AB412 helicopter. Used extensively for rescue and utility missions, this helicopter operates with several Italian agencies. Its proven design allows it to perform search and rescue operations even in difficult weather conditions. And finally, the NH-500 helicopter. This lightweight helicopter is commonly used for training and light utility tasks. Despite its small size, it plays an important role in pilot training and operational support missions.